Hey guys, what's up? So I'm back. Today I'm gonna be teaching you the most important thing that you will ever learn in this earth, and that is how to not be ugly. Because I know I suffer from ugly syndrome, just like many of you. None of you suffer from it, just me. I'm the only one. The rest of you are beautiful. The rest of you are beautiful and you deserve to be praised. Not me though. I do not. So today I'm gonna be teaching you how I get
unugly.
Let's just get started into this. Let's just get started because there's a lot of steps. It takes a lot of time. And by the time you're done, you might want to die. But beauty is pain. Am I right? So let's get started. Step one is hair. Yeah, so straightening my hair because it makes me look less like a hobo. Oh yeah, and let me say something before I keep going. My last video was titled, Things Will Never Be the Same. And I said things will never be the same because I'm gonna be filming on a new camera. Like I got a new camera, life is swag because I got a new camera. But I lied. Things are gonna be the same. So I'm sorry about that. I'm fake. The way that my camera that I bought makes me look isn't my favorite. Done. That took a lot of time and effort out of me. So let's start on the next step. Makeup.
So we're gonna be doing makeup.
Makeup is so empowering and like makeup makes you look so good. So like, oh, don't even worry about it, queen, because you're gonna look great after these next steps. Okay, what am I doing? I'm not on drugs, okay? I promise you I'm not on drugs. Anyways, what happens? Anyway. I have fake nails now, acrylics, and I don't know if the lady who did them was like trying to like mess with me or like, you know, play a little joke or something, but like, does she think that these nails like look the same? Like, and they're all like different lengths, so I love that. You know, I'm really happy I spent money on that. The next important step is contacts. All the beauty gurus use them, and so I was like,
oh my gosh, I'm finna cop some.
Let's just put them on. Let's stop talking and let's just put these boys on. Those look fake. Those do not look real. Y'all thought they don't look real. But am I still gonna use them? Yes. I don't know, if you hate them, I'm sorry. This will not be a reoccurring thing, unless it will be, and then I'm sorry I lied. But, you know, I wanna try it out. So let's just see how this goes and let's just do it. And then you know what? YOLO.
YOLO!
This burns! I don't even look like myself. Like, who is this? Like, I've never met this person. Who is this hoe? Okay, it stopped hurting, so that's good. Okay, I'm gonna do my eyebrows, and I'm gonna do them off camera because will I ever do them on camera? Maybe. All right, guys, I'm back. So, my eyebrows are a little uneven, but are we surprised? No, we're not. Was that a ghost? I swear to God, I just saw something. First the lights, then the door, even though that was my dog. It still qualifies as a ghost because, I wanted to.
YOLO! Swag be like.
I just like spilled all the foundation in this bottle on my hand, so I love that for me. That's so good and fresh and fun. So I haven't posted in like 2 weeks because you know what? If y'all are wondering, I use the Maybelline Fit Me Matte and Poreless. I only use this because it was the cheapest foundation that I could buy that was matte, that I could buy because I needed a new foundation because I fake tanned. So filming on my phone really has me feeling sentimental. You know, it reminds me back in the day when I used to be on that grind and I would always film before school. Speaking of school, ew. But anyways, I miss this. I miss this connection that we've had, and we haven't had this in a while. So I hope that you're thriving because I sure am. It's not a video of mine if I don't discuss how good Shane Dawson's past video was, because his TanaCon series was so good. And also, no tea, but like, we all know I said I wanted to go to TanaCon. We all know I said it. So good thing it didn't happen, because that would have not been good for me. But you know what? Maybe if she tries again, I'll go, which she probably won't try again. And if she does, that's a bold move. I got these contacts from TTDI or something like that. They're pretty good. I mean, can't really see that well, but like still pretty good, you know, like good enough. I forgot what I was saying. I'm gonna go in with the ColourPop. This is the
Yes, please.
palette, and I'm gonna be getting the yellow shade. I've never used yellow eyeshadow, and will this be good? I hope so. Let's see. That kind of looks odd, but like fun, I guess. It matches Noob and David. Oh my god, we're all twins now. I love us. Yeah, my brows are uneven. That's not good. I do not love that for me. Now I'm gonna be going in with the shade Big Cocktails. That's inappropriate if you ask me, but whatever. All right, well, you can't see the yellow at all, but I'm not mad about that. I'm gonna be going in with that red shade because it looks promising. So let's just see how this goes, because so far this look is a little bit odd. There's really no direction. These are like good eyeshadows. Like, go ColourPop for doing that. Comment down below, does my makeup look like crap? So now I'm gonna be going in with the cranberry shade, and I'm gonna put that in my outer crease. Wow, I'm like doing a tutorial. I'm like doing a makeup tutorial. Wild. Will I ever do it again? Probably not. But you know what? I'm doing it because did I scare you? Prank channel. I'm now a prank channel, a gaming channel, and a makeup channel. So get ready for some swaggy pranks coming soon, because I just pranked you, so you know how good I am. I'm gonna get roasted in the comments for this. So I'm really looking forward to that. I'm gonna get roasted in the comments because people are gonna think I'm serious about the how to not be ugly thing, and then I might get canceled forever. But I'm here to say now, it is clickbait. Let me say it again. Clickbait! I mean, I am teaching you how to not be ugly, so it's like, it's not really clickbait, but like, you know, just don't get triggered over it, okay? Don't get pressed. Now you best believe I have myself a good and fresh new pair of D309s, you know, from DODO lashes. Use my code.
I'm done.
You know, I feel like this is a big transformation from the beginning. You know, when I started this video, I looked rough. Yeah, I feel like I look kind of crazy, but you know, fun. It's like a new look for me. Yeah, so this is just my look. I can't really see because I'm pretty sure my vision is slowly degrading and it's eventually going to go away. But it's fine because that's what beauty, you know, beauty is pain. Next step is outfit. You know, we need a good outfit. But you know what? I don't want to get up. So I thought, hey, let me just not change. And I'm just going to wear... Needy. Like, he's so needy. So, you know, I should change, but I'm not going to. So I'm sorry if you're disappointed. Outfits do make a difference in the way that you look. So make sure to always finesse, always power finesse, get that fit going, get the good fit, get the swag fit, and then everyone will love you. So that's all I have today for you guys. So like, subscribe, comment, leave a notification bell, follow me on Instagram, Twitter, Snapchat, Tumblr, Facebook. I don't have Facebook, I don't have Tumblr either, but you know what? Follow me to my house. Come to my house. Don't come to my house, actually. I will call the cops. That's all I have. You know, that's all I have for you. This is all I got. This is all I have to offer. I don't have anything else to offer. And I'm sorry for not posting also for like 12 years. Oopsie. My bad. So yeah, I think I'm gonna stop this here. And you know, I did all this makeup and I have nowhere to go. So see you later.